Configurations allow you to create different versions of an assembly within the same assembly file. Now, there are many reasons you may wish to do this. You might need a simplified configuration. You might create a configuration where all purchased components are hidden. You may wish to show internal components. There are countless valid reasons for creating assembly configurations. In this lesson, we'll examine the process of generating an assembly configuration. An assembly by default will have one configuration. Its default name is appropriately default. To reveal any available configurations in an assembly, simply activate the Configuration Manager using the tab at the top of the Feature Manager. Here, you see the default configuration of this assembly. To add a configuration, right-click on the name of the assembly, or anywhere in the blank space of the Configuration Manager, and select Add Configuration. The Add Configuration Property Manager will appear. A configuration must be given a unique name. I'll use internal for this example. The description and comment fields are optional. If the configuration name you select is not descriptive, such as a part or catalog number, I highly recommend using the description field. The next section offers options that affect the way this configuration will be displayed in a bill of materials. By default, this configuration I'm creating will be listed using the document name, which is Gearbox Assembly. However, if I wish, I can have it listed as either the configuration name or another custom name. This setting is important if you use part numbers to name your configurations. By enabling the configuration name option, your part number will appear in the bill of materials. There are options to define how this assembly will be listed if used as a subassembly. If you wish to have the assembly listed as a single component, select Hide. The Promote option dissolves the assembly's configuration and will promote all the child components up one level. Finally, if I choose Show, SOLIDWORKS will list the child components according to the BOM properties. The advanced and parent-child options will be covered in detail in the next couple of lessons. For now, I'll click OK, and the new configuration is added. Notice the newly added internal configuration is the active one. You can tell because it's highlighted yellow, while the default configuration is grayed out. The reason I selected the name Internal is because this configuration will expose the internal components of this gearbox.